Something made you cringe with embarrassment? Imagine being a star! Turn your failure into a show. Everyone has bad days when things just keep falling apart. We all know the feeling of facing an awkward situation. You can protect yourself as much as you want, but something can still go wrong. Anyway, there's always a solution. Our ideas are for moments exactly like that. A big city is a dangerous place. Thank goodness, seatbelts exist. They can keep your bag from being stolen. I'm not scared of thieves. I'm buckled up. What an awkward encounter. You can easily turn it into a dance. Yeah, we're on the same wavelength. A hole? That's the last thing I need right now. Okay, I'll change my style. More holes, brighter makeup, and messy hair. I'll be a punk tonight. It's so hot in here. Where's the AC controller? Where did it go? Oh, here you are! So you don't have to look for your controller anymore. Attach an old phone to it using rubber bands. Now it can quickly answer my call. Hi! Oh, that wasn't for me. Get away from me, you nasty fly! Watch out! It's okay. I'm just doing up my shoelaces. Hey, coins, come here. Oh yeah? Then I've got a fishing rod with a magnet. What a nice catch! Oh, it's so hot! Ah! It looks like I'm stuck! Say no to stickiness. Apply some deodorant to the back of your legs. Awesome! Thanks for the life hack. Ouch! My ear! It hurts! Make a case for your ear out of foil. Wrap your ear in foil and style your hair with a flat iron without fear. My laptop! Keep calm. I saw this coming, so I covered the keyboard with saran wrap. It's important to keep your gadgets safe. My hat! Goodbye. You're gone with the wind. Put a paper clip onto a rubber band and fasten the paper clip to the inside of your hat. Attach rubber bands on both sides and put them on your ears. Not even a tornado can scare me anymore. My phone! Oh no! Bye-bye, my favorite gadget. Let's check the contacts. Wow! Is that her family? These guys are ripped. I should just give it back to the owner.
Bye, have a great time.
Oops! Awkward! Good thing my friends always support me. Turn on some music whenever everything goes wrong. Oops! It seems like the hot weather caught me by surprise. I need a shower. Phew! It's boiling hot. No one will know. What's the point of this? Here's a simple trick. Attach panty liners to the inside of your shirt armholes. So what if it's hot? I'm cool. These shoelaces keep trying to ruin my walk. I should have put on Velcro shoes instead. Apply hairspray onto your shoelaces. Now they won't come undone. This wind is so rude. It wants to make my skirt look like a sail, but I know a simple hack. Sew a thick chain to the bottom of a skirt. The chain makes the skirt heavier. My reputation is safe now. Is this a new superhero? Captain Pillow? No, it's Loser from the Unlucky Universe. Now you're safe. If all your other approaches don't help, just use a mini first aid kit. Put a pack of wet wipes, hand sanitizer, a Band-Aid, duct tape, super glue, a black marker, and a mini sewing set into a pencil case. Now everything you need is always on hand. And don't lose hope. Or maybe, is this just karma? Come on, Zipper, slide up. Calm down. There's a way out. Apply lip balm onto the stuck zipper. Some lip balm, and it works smoothly. My phone is part of me now. But I can't hold it anymore. What should I do with it? Use a paper clip, bend it at an angle, and put on the phone. My hands are free! Yay! Of course! I just had to spill a drink on my white shirt. What should I do now? I'll make it look like a stylish pattern. Let's add more stains. Where is my last clean pair of socks? Bad luck! Let's start disguising. Shade your toe where the hole is using a marker to match the color of your socks. Phew! No one will notice. Did you like our life hacks? Then comment below how often you get into awkward situations and how you find a way out. And you guys, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click on the bell. Don't miss any new fun life hacks from Wahoo!